Going on vacation is great, but this year, let's figure out how to do it without taking 35 bags of luggage. Here are my tips on how to pack minimalist style. Whether you're new to minimalism or just looking to simplify your travel game, I've got you covered. It's all about adventure. Before we pack a single item, let's talk mindset. Minimalist packing isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. Ask yourself, what do I really need? What can serve multiple purposes? What can I easily buy at my destination if necessary? Remember, we're aiming for a carry-on only. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Choose a color palette and stick to it. I recommend 2, 3 tops 1, 2 bottoms, pants or skirts, 1 dress that can be dressed up or down, 1 light jacket or cardigan, comfortable walking shoes and a dressier option, undergarments and socks for each day, and remember to roll your clothes instead of folding to save space and reduce wrinkles. Simplify your routine. Multi-purpose products are your friends. Think tinted moisturizer with SPF. Decant products into small reusable containers. Pack only the essentials your skin will thank you for the break. Don't forget a small first aid kit with any necessary medications. Bring your smartphone. It's your camera, map, and entertainment system, e-reader or tablet for books, portable charger, and necessary cords. Consider leaving the laptop behind unless it's absolutely necessary. Don't forget to like this video and share your own minimalist packing tips in the comments below. And subscribe so you can get the new videos every day. We've all been there, packing for every possible scenario. Resist the urge. Most just-in-case items go unused. If you really need something, you can usually buy it at your destination. Overpacking not only weighs you down physically, but it can also create unnecessary stress and complications during your trip. Think about lugging a heavy suitcase through crowded airports, struggling to fit it in the overhead compartment, or navigating narrow streets and staircases at your destination. Instead, focus on versatile essentials that can be mixed and matched. Remember, experienced travelers often find that less is more. They enjoy the freedom and flexibility that comes with traveling light. Plus, leaving some space in your luggage allows room for souvenirs or local purchases that truly enhance your travel experience. So next time you're tempted to pack that extra sweater or pair of shoes, just in case, take a deep breath and ask yourself if it's really necessary. Chances are you'll be just fine without it. There you have it, minimalist packing made simple. With these tips, you'll breeze through security, avoid baggage fees, and have more energy to enjoy your trip. Remember, the less you pack, the more room you have for experiences. Embracing a minimalist approach to travel isn't just about saving space. It's about shifting your mindset. By focusing on what's truly essential, you free yourself from the burden of excess belongings and open yourself up to the spontaneity that makes travel so enriching. Consider how much easier your journey becomes when you're not weighed down by multiple bags. You'll move more quickly through airports, easily navigate public transportation, and have the flexibility to change plans on a whim without worrying about lugging around unnecessary items. This lightness extends beyond the physical. It can lead to a sense of mental clarity and presence, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your destination. Minimalist packing often leads to more sustainable travel. With less to wash and maintain, you'll use fewer resources and potentially make more environmentally conscious choices. It might even inspire you to adopt a more minimalist approach in other areas of your life, recognizing how little we truly need to be content and comfortable. As you practice this approach, you'll likely become more adept at distinguishing between wants and needs. You'll learn to appreciate the versatility of well-chosen items and the freedom that comes with traveling light. And let's not forget the financial benefits. Avoiding checked baggage fees and impulse purchases of items you don't really need can significantly reduce your travel expense. Minimalist packing is about prioritizing experiences over possessions. It's about creating space, both in your luggage and in your mind, for the unexpected adventures and meaningful encounters that make travel so rewarding. So next time you're preparing for a trip, challenge yourself to pack even lighter than before. You might be surprised at how little you need and how much you gain in return.